How do I use the float position? Where do I find the float position? I use it a lot, and I've learned a lot about it. So let me tell you a few things. First of all, let's find out what the float position is. When you have the tractor running, when you push forward on the joystick, the arms go down like that. That will actually lift the tractor off the ground. Not necessarily good for the tractor or the bucket itself, but you can do that. If there's any unevenness in the ground, the bucket is locked in that position, so the tractor tends to move up and down and loses traction. So what you can use the float position for is to drop the bucket onto the ground and release it. So there's no more any hydraulic pressure. There's no down pressure on it. It's just sitting there. So the weight of the arms and the hydraulics and the actual bucket itself, the weight is keeping it on the ground. So as you back up, no matter what the tractor does, the bucket stays nice and flat on the ground. To get to that float position is even easier. Here's your joystick, and there's your down. You push forward to down, and now the bucket is down. You can keep pushing, as I just showed you. It'll actually keep pushing down and lift the wheels off the ground. But don't do that. Put it forward and then keep pushing. You hear that? That's float position. What does that mean? Well, what that means is the bucket is not being forced down on the ground. It's just sitting there. Let me demonstrate. Pull the bucket up. If I push it right into float position, it just drops. It just sits there. It's not being forced down. It just sits there. Now you can still make the bucket move, see? But it's float. It's just sitting there. There's no down force. I'm going to put it about like so, and back up slowly. You can see how it digs into the snow, brings the snow back. However, if you have the bucket, let me show you, like this. If it's like this, angled in like so, and you back up and it catches a hard, immovable object, it can hurt the bucket. Unless you stop the tractor, it'll catch on that frozen rock or big rock or steel post, whatever it happens to be. It'll catch on that and it'll stop. It can actually hurt your bucket. It'll certainly possibly distort the pins. It could actually hurt the bucket. Normally, you wouldn't use float position if you're going forward. If it's a very flat ground, you're trying to get under some sand or something, possibly, but you have to be very careful. How do you use it? Pulling. Normally it's pulling, scraping, pulling, and so on. Just be careful. Don't let the edge of the bucket be angled back in the direction that you're traveling so it catches on something. I hope that helps a little bit. Okay, guys, take care.